Hey Rebels, welcome to Random Fandom. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can stop Windows from updating, including those of you who are using the home versions of Windows which don't have extra control of updates. So is your Windows always constantly trying to update and you have slow internet and you're trying to play a game or something or download a file and it's always just going super slow or failing, or when you turn on your computer you see things like this, we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes don't turn off your computer? If so, then this video is for you. So simply, all you have to do is go to your settings, go to Update and Security, and go to Advanced Options. Uncheck those boxes. Go to Delivery Optimization. Turn that off. And then you go back, and Windows should stop downloading updates from other people's computers, including those which may have viruses on them. Also, you should go over to Network and Internet, and you go to Change Connection Properties. What you want to do here is set it as a metered connection. So now with this enabled, some apps may not download stuff in the background, but like downloading things in the browser would be fine. If you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered network, and some apps may work differently to reduce data usage while you're connected to this network. But one thing is, Windows will quit downloading updates in the background. So you can reclaim the speed of your slow internet, you can reclaim your hard drive space, if you're running low on space on your hard drive, if you have, say, a small C drive and it's just filling up with Windows updates or whatever, then you can stop it from doing that. As you can see here, we go to Delivery Optimization. This folder is empty. There's no updates downloaded right now. But, yeah. So there you go. That is one simple, easy way to disable Windows updates without having to do hard things for non-technical people, like registry tweaks that may break your system, using the group policy editor or anything of that sort. This trick works very simple. And if you want to go download updates, you can just go over to Network Status, and you can go to Change Properties. You can set it back to unmetered and go to your Update and Security and just click Check for Updates, or you can even leave the network set as metered and check for updates. And right here it says, will automatically download and install updates except on metered connections where charges may apply. In that case, will automatically download those updates required to keep Windows running smoothly. Now, that there is kind of a key word. It may still download some updates, but typically those will be smaller. They'll be a lot smaller, not huge, several gig updates. And there you go. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell icon below. It's gray, color. You can click that. Hit the red subscribe button down below. And until next time, peace.